Welcome to another episode of Startup Fundamentals. I am happy to see you here. In this episode, we will cover the business plan, how you make it, why it is important, and what it should contain. All this in this episode. Follow along to ensure success on your startup journey. Remember, you can get your own printed copy of Startup Fundamentals by following the link in the description. Let's get this show on the road. A business plan is a crucial document for any entrepreneur or business owner. It helps to define the goals and objectives of the business, as well as the strategies and action steps needed to achieve them. A well-crafted business plan is essential for attracting investors, securing funding, and establishing a roadmap for success. This section will delve into the various reasons why a business plan is so important and how it can help businesses to achieve their goals. Whether you are just starting out or have been in business for a while, a business plan can provide a valuable framework for decision-making and help to ensure that your business stays on track. By taking the time to carefully consider and plan for the future of your business, you can increase your chances of success and ensure that your business is well-positioned to adapt to changing market conditions. So, let's dive in and explore the many benefits of having a solid business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines the goals, strategies, and action steps for starting and operating a business. It serves as a roadmap for the business and helps to ensure that all necessary steps are taken in order to achieve success. Here are some key components of a solid business plan. 1. Define your business. Start by clearly outlining what your business does, who it serves, and what makes it unique. 2. Conduct market research. Research your target market, competitors, and the industry to understand the current landscape and identify opportunities for your business. 3. Set clear goals and objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with your business and how you will measure success. 4. Develop a marketing plan. Outline how you will reach and engage your target audience, including which marketing channels you will use and how you will measure the success of your efforts. 5. Create a financial plan. Estimate your startup costs, forecast your financial performance, and develop a budget to help you achieve your financial goals. 6. Plan for operations. Outline how you will run your business on a day-to-day basis, including details on your team, production processes, and supply chain management. Now, write the business plan. Put all of the above information together into a clear, concise, and well-organized document that tells the story of your business. By including these key components in a business plan, businesses can establish a clear roadmap for success and increase their chances of achieving their goals. It's also a good idea to regularly review and update the business plan as the business evolves and changes. Here is a short example of a business plan using the 6 steps we have just outlined. 1. Define the business. Our business is a small coffee shop located in a busy downtown area. We serve specialty coffee drinks, pastries, and sandwiches to a diverse customer base of office workers, tourists, and local residents. Our unique selling point is our commitment to using ethically sourced, high-quality ingredients and offering a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere for all. 2. Conduct market research. We have identified several key competitors in the area, but none of them offer the same level of focus on sustainability and social responsibility as we do. We have also conducted surveys and focus groups with potential customers who have expressed a strong interest in our concept. 3. Set clear goals and objectives. Our main goal is to become the go-to destination for specialty coffee in the downtown area, with a focus on building a loyal customer base through exceptional service and a strong brand identity. Our specific objectives include increasing sales by 25% in the first year and expanding to a second location within 3 years. 4. Develop a marketing plan. We will use a combination of social media marketing, email marketing, and in-store promotions to reach our target audience. We will also host events and partnerships with local businesses and organizations to build awareness and drive traffic to our store. 5. Create a financial plan. Our startup costs will include renovations to the storefront, purchasing equipment and supplies, and hiring and training staff. We will generate revenue through sales of coffee, food, and merchandise, and will carefully track our expenses to ensure profitability. 6. Plan for operations. We will have a small team of baristas and a manager who will be responsible for daily operations, including making and serving drinks, managing inventory, and handling customer service. We will also work with a local roaster to source our coffee beans and a local bakery to supply our pastries. 7. Write the business plan. We will compile all of the above information into a comprehensive business plan that outlines our vision, market analysis, goals and objectives, marketing and financial strategies, and operational details. This document will serve as a roadmap for our business and help us stay focused and on track as we work towards our goals. That's it for this episode. Remember that you can get your own printed version of Startup Fundamentals. Here you can read even more in-depth details about writing the perfect business plan. In the book you will find links to the Business Model Canvas, which is a model used by many startups, and executable descriptions about the use of the Business Model Canvas. The Business Model Canvas is a more flexible and iterative tool than a traditional business plan. It allows founders to quickly and easily experiment with different business models and to pivot as needed without having to spend a lot of time and effort updating a lengthy business plan. It is a more concise and visual tool than a business plan, making it easier for founders to understand and communicate their business model to others. This is particularly important for startups, as they often need to pitch their business to potential investors and partners, and a clear and concise visual representation of their business model can be more effective than a lengthy written document. It is often used as a complementary tool to a business plan and can be particularly useful for startups. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified of new episodes. You don't want to miss the next episode of Startup Fundamentals. We are here to help you be a successful entrepreneur. Thanks, and see you soon.